Introducing the Mini Orbital Welder, an advanced automated welding solution designed to deliver exceptional precision, consistency, and productivity for tube and small pipe fabrication. Engineered for applications that demand the highest level of weld quality, the Mini Orbital Welder combines intelligent automation with reliable performance to produce repeatable results every single time. The system supports multiple welding processes, including TIG fusion, TIG with wire feeder, and MIG welding, allowing manufacturers to choose the ideal process based on material and application requirements. Designed to weld tube sizes ranging from 0.2 inch up to 6 inches, the machine offers outstanding flexibility for a wide variety of industrial applications. Its advanced 6-axis motion system provides synchronized control for rotation, height adjustment, self-centering, and wire feeding, ensuring precise torch positioning throughout the entire welding cycle. For TIG applications, the machine features a 400-degree rotary capability, enabling smooth and continuous orbital welding with exceptional accuracy. An intuitive high-resolution HMI touchscreen allows operators to configure welding parameters quickly, monitor the process in real time, and maintain complete control with ease. The result is clean, uniform, and leak-proof welds with reduced operator dependency, improved repeatability, and higher production efficiency. The Mini Orbital Welder is an ideal solution for industries such as pharmaceuticals, food and beverage, semiconductor manufacturing, HVAC, aerospace, and high-purity process piping, where precision and weld integrity are critical. Compact in design, powerful in performance, and built for demanding production environments, the Mini Orbital Welder delivers the accuracy, reliability, and consistency that modern manufacturing demands. Mini Orbital Welder, precision engineered for every weld.